Remove wrinkles and protect your face from aging with its natural mask. Wrinkles on the face make you look tired and old. Don't worry, today we are going to give you a natural anti-aging facial mask to remove wrinkles on the face and restore your skin without breaking your pocket or bringing you any pains. This facial mask helps remove wrinkles on the face similarly to Botox, and the effect is immediate. Wrinkles appear due to loss of collagen, so this natural treatment will help you remove wrinkles by retarding the breaking down of collagen of the skin. It is a natural mask that you can prepare at home, and it is completely safe, cheap, and easy to make. Let's start, and the first step is preparing a ripe banana. Do you know that banana is called nature's Botox? That's right, vitamin B in bananas moisturize, thereby delaying the aging process and gets rid of dry skin. Vitamin E is a wrinkle remover in bananas. It is also full of the mineral potassium, which not only moisturizes the skin, it makes it look and feel softer. Peel your banana and cut it into small pieces. Then add all the banana pieces into a blender. Next, you will need to prepare fresh aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf. We'll need a small amount of gel for this recipe, so cut a small piece from a big aloe vera leaf. Then, use a sharp knife and remove the outer layer of the skin of the leaf. Be careful of the yellow liquid that comes out. It can irritate the skin, so make sure you wash your aloe vera piece carefully before further processing. After washing, use a spoon and scoop 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the blender. And the final ingredient of this recipe is tomato. Tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C. Applied topically, vitamin C may help improve skin elasticity. You will need a medium-sized tomato. Then remove the core, blossom ends. And cut it into quarters. Add the tomato into the blender. Now turn on the blender and blend everything well until all ingredients are completely puree. Make sure there are no remaining solid chunks. After blending, pour the mixture into a glass jar with a lid to store and use. To remove wrinkles on the face with this mixture, do the following steps. Firstly, clean your face thoroughly. Then, use your fingers to massage the mixture all over your face skin, especially in the area that appears wrinkles, such as under the eyes, around the mouth. Leave the mask for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your face with warm water. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.